Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a Rolls-Royce with cardboard. First, gather your essential materials, including several large sheets of sturdy cardboard, a sharp craft knife, and a reliable strong adhesive. Next, print out a detailed, scaled template of your chosen Rolls-Royce model. This template will guide your cuts and ensure accurate proportions. Finally, prepare your workspace with a cutting mat and a metal ruler for precise, straight lines. Now let's construct the main body. Carefully cut out all the major body panels from your printed template, paying close attention to detail. Begin by assembling the base chassis, using a strong adhesive like hot glue for quick bonding and stability. Once the base is secure, attach the side panels and the hood, making sure all angles are perfectly square for a realistic appearance. This step forms the core structure of your miniature luxury car. Next, we'll focus on the intricate details that make it a Rolls-Royce. Craft the iconic front grille and headlights using smaller, precisely cut cardboard pieces, adding depth and realism. For the wheels, cut several circular layers of cardboard and glue them together to create thickness. Then, attach these wheels securely to the chassis using small wooden dowels or sturdy cardboard axles, ensuring they can rotate if desired. For the final touches, carefully smooth any rough edges or imperfections on your cardboard model using fine grit sandpaper. This step is crucial for a professional, polished appearance. Apply a coat of primer to prepare the surface, then paint your Rolls-Royce in your chosen color, perhaps a classic black or a sophisticated silver. Don't forget to add small details like window outlines and door handles. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to click the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.